So I started working on this. I started working on this last night. It doesn't look like anything that I was working on last night, does it? Looky here. Looky here.
You're Mommy's baby Anna, yes sirree.
And Mama's singing to Lucky.
Yeah, he's Mommy's baby Anna, yes sirree.
And this is a wedding chapel Christmas tree using, well, you guys need to watch the previous video to see what it's made out
Listen
of.
to that. Breakfast is
And
isn't that? Breakfast is
look at that. I'm going to turn this on so you can see what it is. It's a wedding dress, y'all. It's a wedding chapel. It's another wedding chapel. It's another wedding dress. Nestled in here.
What you doing in the chair, Bobby?
Nestled in here.
Hey, little toot. Yep,
Ah,
chair.
now you can see what was actually going on up in here. This is not finished yet. You can also see that. And over here we've got wedding veils. Just another little peekaboo, and it's still not done. So adding a few extra things on here, just a little bit. But this is what's going on, you all. I'm in love with it. I've had all the pieces to the wedding chapel tree for many years and used it on a tree for many, many years. And it's been at least 5 years since I did the wedding chapel ornaments. But I just brought them back to life. Just brought them back to life right here. Just did. And my ribbon. Okay, get up there, baby. First ribbon I've ever made, and it's trying to topple. Oh, there it is. Now we're in business. Yes, guys, I really need to crochet a new tree skirt. I'm just coming back in with a little closure, maybe not quite a closure, of this little tree that was made out of tassel. The tassel here and the metal yeah, just a little bit of, I'll pull it back a little so you can see. I know this little ribbon is sad, but it's there. I made it. Uh-oh. I hear a dog got slapped by a cat or something. What just happened in there? I'm going to have to take care of that. Are you okay, buddy? What happened? Well, yeah, they caught me busy. Decided to get all crazy up in here. But this is my project. Mother did help me. Mother was on the phone. You could probably hear her in the background earlier. That's part of stuff that you don't usually hear when I am videoing, and it's okay. It's part of life, part of the situation that I'm dealing with, but this right here has blessed Mama like no other to be a part of helping with this. And this little bird here is trying to fall down. I'm gonna have to straighten her up. Oh, come on, sweet girl, get on there. Get on there and stay. Oh my goodness. I'm surprised that it's still up because Sugar Lumpus was being very curious. Okay, stay put, darling. There we go. Sugar Lumpus was very curious about this tree and all the jingles, especially, yeah, this jingle in here. Bells. Anyway, you all, thank you for your patience. Thank you for understanding if I don't do a lot of videos like I used to. I am pretty busy in my life right now, doing some caregiving for my precious mother, who you guys know and love, and I know you guys have been praying for us, and yeah, this greenery has seen better days. It's 12 years old from my one of my daughter's wedding reception that I did. This is the greenery from it. So yeah, probably a little dusty. Probably hasn't been out of the tote in a few years, but this is the year. This is not the traditional Christmas tree that I usually put up, but time and space is limited, and yeah, this is what it is. It is what it is. I do, like I said, I do need to do a white Christmas tree skirt. This one's off-white. It's had the lick. It's been around. It's been around for years. It's actually a shawl that has been transformed into a tree skirt. Yeah. So this is what's happening at my house. I think that's a cherub. Yeah. Cherub is right in there. I almost lost an ornament, you all. Let me put this back. And well, it's not gonna stay there. I'm gonna have to move it somewhere else. A little crowded in this little corner, but I'm gonna hook it up right there because it needs to be right there. This little chickadee has been around here a little long time. Oh, hi. Hi. What you doing? What you doing? Huh? Oh, no. No. I have a string of Christmas lights down inside here, and that's the only light that is on this. There's one of these, and there's more to come. Yeah, we have more of these, and Mother wanted to put these on since it is a wedding chapel tree, so I've got to figure these out. What are you doing over there? What are you doing over there? What are you doing? Don't climb the tree. Don't climb the tree. Okay, guys, I'm gonna have to go turn on the light switch so you can see it with the lights. Okay. The lights are down inside. You can peek in there and see lights. There's not. The brightest one is right here with the birds. The brightest light is here with the birds. And this wedding gown right here. But the rest of it, yeah. It's looking a little bit rough here, and I'm going to have to poke some things in that may have fallen out. Yeah, so this is the wedding chapel tree, do-it-yourself, that I made out of tassels and the metal garden decor. Yeah. All right, thanks for watching. God bless you. Remember, Jesus is the reason for the season. Jesus is indeed the reason for the season.